Look at this ad. Normally, creating a motion graphic this clean would require a team, a hefty budget, and specialized 3D software. But right now, you can generate this exact level of quality in about 5 minutes. We are going to build a completely automated business model around this. The strategy is straightforward. We use AI to produce high-end video ads, and we sell them directly to local businesses for around $300 a piece. By the end of this breakdown, you will have the exact workflow to generate your own professional portfolio, a scraped list of 200 highly targeted business leads, and an automated system to email them all. Because the AI handles both the visual rendering and the client outreach, you do not need any prior background in motion design or sales to execute this. Let's set up the system. Step 1 is connecting our tools. You will need 2 active accounts to make this work: Claude, which acts as the logical brain of the operation, and the Higgsfield MCP platform, which acts as the creative muscle. Inside Claude, navigate to your Settings menu. Look for the Connectors tab, click it, and select Add Custom Connector. This diagram maps out the architecture. When you paste the Higgsfield URL into Claude, you establish a direct link. You dictate the creative logic to Claude, who securely passes those instructions to Higgsfield, which executes the actual video generation. Activating this custom connector takes the standard chat interface and turns it into a fully functional automated video production studio. Now we need to feed it a project. To start generating our portfolio, we upload a custom motion design document into Claude. We prompt it to make a motion design video, specifying our output variables as a horizontal format running exactly 15 seconds. When deciding on visual style, the rule is straightforward. Motion design aligns with digital products, while hypermotion pairs perfectly with physical products. Before allowing the AI to render a single frame of video, we force it to generate a detailed 8-frame storyboard. You review these still images to ensure the sequence makes logical sense. Skipping this storyboard approval step carries a direct financial risk. Without it, the AI will guess at the transitions, generating disconnected visual shots that burn your API credits. Once the storyboard is approved, the system runs the Sidence 2.0 model. The rendering output delivers clean text holds in every frame and fluid, seamless transitions between shots. This diagram illustrates the platform's scalability. If a client needs different product colors or flavors, you can multiply that single approved master video into 10 distinct variations almost instantly. When you deliver the work, expect client feedback. If they request minor changes, do not walk away from the lead. You simply open Higgsfield's native editing interface, apply the quick revisions, and re-export. This prompt-to-storyboard pipeline takes what used to require 80 hours of manual keyframing and condenses it into a highly controlled 5-minute approval process. With our portfolio finalized, we need buyers. We shift the workflow from video creation to distribution by uploading a new custom instruction set into Claude, the client finder skill. We direct the AI to analyze 3 specific target markets. First, local businesses on mapping services. Second, active Shopify storefronts. And third, live Kickstarter campaigns. For the Kickstarter segment, we apply a strict financial filter. We instruct the system to ignore campaigns with zero backing or multi-million-dollar raises, targeting only projects that sit exactly between 10 and 50. Using these parameters, the AI actively scrapes public platforms, filtering out dead contacts. It compiles a clean, verified list of 200 active email addresses belonging directly to business owners and head managers. This automated scraping removes days of manual data entry. It guarantees our pitch lands with businesses that have validated market traction and working budgets. To send the pitches, return to Claude's settings menu one last time. Follow the exact same procedure we used earlier, but this time add your custom Gmail connector URL. Go to the list of 200 emails the AI just compiled, select the entire block of data, copy it, and paste it directly back into your active Claude chat interface. Then provide the final command. You type, "Send this email to every contact on this list." Claude passes the instruction to your email client, injecting the correct names and details into your outreach template. The system takes over the entire batch. It personalizes each individual message and dispatches all 200 emails in roughly 2 minutes. By stringing these connectors together, you convert a raw data list into an active pipeline of potential buyers. You execute a mass cold outreach campaign with zero manual data entry or individual sending. This graphic shows the real math behind our experiment. The API credits required to generate the videos cost $250. The total revenue collected from the closed deals was $1,280, leaving a net profit of $1,030. Because the entire process, from setup to email delivery, took exactly 5 hours, the effective hourly return exceeds what a beginner could earn doing traditional manual freelance design. Now it is your turn. I challenge you to replicate this exact setup today. Build your portfolio, trigger automated email pitches, and drop a comment below when you close your first deal. This is a highly scalable base selling. As you continually use the platform and the underlying AI rendering models continue to improve, the quality of your output will rise, allowing you to steadily increase your rates over time. If you find this valuable, please make sure to follow and subscribe. Rise, raise.